In this video, I will show you how to improve video quality using AI, and you don't need any technical skills to do this. And the tool that I'm about to show you how to use and my results with is called VideoProc AI. And if you want to try it, you can check the link in the description. Keep in mind that this is an installable piece of software, so if you don't want to download something, and also if you're not a Windows user, which this tool is primarily for, make sure to check the links in the description as well, because there you will find all these other similar products that live online where you don't need to install anything. So now for the next minute or so, I will show you these videos and their before and after versions after enhancing those with the VideoProc Video Upscaler. And after I have shown all of these to you, then I will show you how to enhance videos using VideoProc. But right now, let's enjoy these videos for a while. And as you can see, in some of the videos, the image sharpness, or the video sharpness rather, and the overall quality got significantly better. But in these other videos, you could barely tell the difference. For instance, in the scene where the birds were flying, I would actually say that the original footage looked more colorful and overall better than after image improvement or video improvement by VideoProc. So whether this tool works for you and whether it's something you should use depends entirely on your use case. So in some situations with some videos, it does a stellar job. For instance, it can make those edges look a lot sharper, and it can remove noise and blurriness from your videos very nicely. But in some scenes, it doesn't really do that much, because after all, it cannot add any new information to an existing video. For instance, if you have a bunch of birds flying out there, it obviously does not identify those birds and add their characteristics in. So that would basically be like magic. That's something that is probably never possible. But in most videos, in most of my experiences, this tool has been awesome, and it has clearly improved my video quality. And now, let me show you how to use this tool step by step. So the first thing you need to do is head over to this page called VideoProc, and you can find a link to that page in the description. Then download the software. And as I said before, if you don't want to download it, and if you don't use a Windows, then make sure to check the link in the description to the video where I show you these other similar products that live online where you don't need to install anything or run a specific operating system. Then once the download has completed, open up your VideoProc software. Then drop a file into the view. Then choose an AI model. And you can play with these with different types of videos, but I recommend using the Gen V2 model. Then tick the box where it says Enhance, because this one will actually make your videos look better. Then choose your output destination and then hit Run. And this one starts the process of upscaling and enhancing your video.